Good morning, Nick here. So we're going to do some maintenance on our Cobra today. We need to remove these panels to grease the inside. So we have little arrows on them as far as which panels need to be removed. So on the front side of it here, there's 2 arrows right there. So we need to remove each one of those bolts there. I'm going to come around on the other side here. And if you take a look inside there, there's 3 of them. There's one down at the bottom, one at the top, and one at the very top there. And we're going to come around to the back side, actually just the side. And we've got 2 of them up inside there. So we're going to go ahead and remove those. Oh, actually, and there's one more. Yep, one more up there. So we're going to go ahead and remove those guys, and we'll be right back with greasing the inside of it. Hi, Nick and Dre here. We're back. We have the front panel taken off here. So there's a few spots here that need to be greased and lubed up. So one of the spots is going to be right back there. It's going to be that first little piece right there. Give that a few pumps. Then you're going to want to come in here, that groove. You're going to want to add maybe 3 squirts into that one. And it doesn't really show where to put it, but just kind of want to fill the area, because as it locks in, each one of these little round deals is going to slide into that section right there. So you want to make sure it's nice and greased up. Below that we have the next one, and over here to the side it's going to be 4, and on the other side 5. So again, just add a few pumps to those, and go ahead and put your piece back together and it should be good.